firststepreading.com.
Hi, this is Heather from firststepreading.com. For today's video, you will find the sentence under August 24th, but other than that, the date is just used as an example. So let's get started. We're going to start with our calendar. How many months are in 1 year? 12. That's right. Let's say it together. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the 12 months in 1 year. Today we're talking about August. August is in the season of summer. Summer is the hottest season of the year. In the year, there are 4 seasons. Spring, where the flowers bloom and it tends to be rainy. It's pretty warm, but not very warm. It could be chilly some days, warm some days. And then it gets to our hottest season, summer. Then it cools down in the fall, and the leaves will change colors and they'll fall off the trees. Sometimes people call fall autumn. After fall, it cools down even more for our coldest season, which is winter. And in many places, it snows in the winter. And then after winter, after our coolest season, winter, it starts warming up in the spring, right? It starts to warm up and the leaves come back and the flowers bloom. And then it's summer, right? Well, these are our 4 seasons. So we're talking about August today. And August is in the summer. This is our calendar. We want to figure out what day comes after 23. And in order to do that, we need to count. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. What numbers comes after 23? 24. A 2 and a 4 makes 24. Our calendar has a pattern. It's an ABB pattern, so it's red, black, black. Let's figure out if our 24 should be red or black. Red, black, black, 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 red, black, black. So we need a black 24. Okay? If you have the worksheets, all worksheets I show you are free at firststepreading.com. You can ask an adult to print them for you. Now, if you have this, you can circle August. August comes after July and before September, and you can try to find the number 24. Right? A 2 and a 4. That is our number of the day, 24. Our letter of the day is A. A short vowel A says ah, 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 like hat or cat. And a long vowel A says A. It says its name. Now we're going to do this. We're going to do the days of the week. So if you have that, you can take it out now. We're going to start by singing our 7 days of the week song. If you know it, please sing along. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So yesterday was Sunday. It was the weekend. And if yesterday was Sunday, today is Monday, and tomorrow will be Tuesday. Now, you might be watching this video and it might not be Monday. That's okay. We're just doing it as an example. So if today is Monday, what day would have been yesterday? You look before and it would have been Sunday. And if today is Monday, what day is it tomorrow? Tomorrow would be Tuesday. So you can do this as an example, or you can do it with your adult and ask them, what day is it today? And then find the day before and the day after. Okay? Now I told you that we're talking about August, and in August it's summer, but you could be watching this video at any time, so it might be a different season where you live. The season in August is summer, and in order to figure out the weather, I look out my window, and I see it's sunny and hot where I live. But you look out your window, and you might see it's rainy. You might see the leaves blowing, branches swaying, then it'd be windy. You might see snow, then it'd be snowy if you're watching this in the winter, right? It might be snowing. Or you might not be able to see the sun, then it's cloudy. So that would describe the weather. This describes the temperature. It's hot where I live. You could go swimming today. If it's pretty hot but not swimming weather, I'd say it's warm. If it's freezing, I'd say it's a cold day. And if it's pretty cold but not freezing, I would say it's cool. So that describes the temperature, and that describes the weather. So you can do your graphing. Get my graphing out. I would do the square above sunny and the square above hot. That's how you do that. Okay, so now we're done with our calendar and we're moving on to math. So if you have your math stuff, you can take it out now. Counting by twos, counting by fives, and counting by tens is where we're going to start. So if you have this, you can read the twos in black, or if you have this, you can read the fives in black. If not, you will read it with me up here. Okay? So the twos are in green and the fives are in black. Are you ready? We're going to start with the twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Great job. Now we're going to do the fives. They're in black up here or on your paper. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Great job. Now at the very bottom is our tens all the way to 100. Are you ready? We're going to do it together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Amazing. Now I'm going to take out our unit for this week. Okay, we're going to do subtraction today. This is Haley. She's my helper. So last week we were talking about addition. Remember? Addition means you're adding more. So let's start with this dinosaur example. If I have one dinosaur, I'm going to do a fast dinosaur. Haley, no, we're not doing that right now. Look up here, Haley. If I have one dinosaur and I have 1, 2, 3 more, that's this. How many dinosaurs do I have all together? This is addition. This is what we did last week. How many dinosaurs are there? You did it by counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're talking about subtraction. So a good thing to think about with subtraction is if you have, I'll do the first one. There are 3 dinosaurs. Okay, here's our 3 dinosaurs. Okay, subtraction means taking something away. So we have 3 dinosaurs and 1 goes away. 1 leaves. So I can cross him off. How many are left? 2. So my answer is, so 3 minus 1 dinosaur is 2.
Can I do the same?
Okay, you could do the cross off. So now, if I have 2 dinosaurs and one of my dinosaurs leaves, how many are left? You want to try it? What do you have to do? Nope, you cross off 1 from here. Let's try. So we have 2 dinosaurs and 1 leaves. How many are left?
2.
Nope. You have 2 dinosaurs and 1 leaves. Look at my fingers. Here's my dinosaurs. Look, Haley. 2 dinosaurs and 1 leaves. How many are left? 2 and 1 leaves. There's only 1 more, right? So let's try that again. So the first number is telling you how many were there to start. And the second number tells you how many left. So I have 3 candies and I ate 1. How many do I have left? This tells me how many I cross off. How many should I cross off?
1.
So cross off 1 from your first, not from there, from the first part. Not there. That tells you how many cross off from your candies. That's how many you ate. So how many do you have left?
1.
No. Okay, look. I'm going to show you with objects. Okay. This will be easier. Okay, Haley, you have 3 candies. Oops. Okay. You have 3 candies. Put your hand out like this. Haley has 3 candies. I'm going to write the question up here. She has 3 candies. And I'm going to take 1. How many do you have left?
2.
2. Good job. Do you get it? This tells you how many of yours to take away. So now this tells you how many to cross off from the first number. Okay? Same idea here. There are 4 paper clips. And I take 1 away. How many are left in the first? 4 paper clips. Take 1 away. Put it here. Put it here, please. Here, here. Haley, here. How many are left? See, we cross it off from the first number. This is our answer. How many is left? Right. Okay. So addition, we add them all together. Subtraction, something from the first number leaves. Okay? Something gets taken away. Let's try 1 more. This is a new concept. Haley, look. I have 4 bubble gums. And I'm taking 2 bubble gums. Where do you cross off the 2 from? I have 4 bubble gums, but I ate 2. Where do I cross my 2 off? How many are left? How many are left? 2. Good Good job. This just tells you how many to cross off from your first number. Okay? Okay, so I want you to try to do your dinos today and your candy math. The dinos has addition, which means you count them all together, and subtraction, which means you cross things off. The candy math is all subtraction. This second number tells you how many candies to cross off, okay, from the first number. And whatever's left is your answer. If it helps you, you can use your subtraction mat, which you do like this. Two candies. Look, 2 candies, and I ate 1. So I take one of my 2 candies. I ate 1, so I'm going to put it here. And whatever's left here is my answer, 1. Okay, if you want, you can use your subtraction mat, even with these, or you can cross them off, because these are pictures. So you can cross off however amount is here from your first number. And whatever's left is your answer. So this is subtraction. We're going to be working on it all week. So this is the first time you've seen it. So I understand if it's a little confusing. Now we're going to move on to science. Please do these 2 worksheets, and you're counting by 2s, you're counting by 5s, and you're counting by 10s. Okay, science time. I know, you're excited. Haley really wants to do her science. Before we do anything, Haley, we have to have a hypothesis. What is a hypothesis? What is a hypothesis, Haley?
I don't know.
You don't know? It's a guess. You guess what you think's going to happen. So we have 1 egg and a bowl of vinegar, and we're going to leave it there for a couple days.
It's going to turn bouncy.
You think it's going to turn bouncy, so you draw a picture here of what do you think will happen.
It's going to bounce down.
And then this is what happens later. So let's do our experiment. We're going to leave it there, and we're going to check on it in a couple days. And then we're going to do a second experiment. Wait. First, white vinegar. Fill your container with white vinegar. Carefully. Okay, enough. That will cover your egg. This is vinegar, not water. Then you take an egg that you haven't done anything to. It's a raw egg. So wash your hands when you're done. Maybe we could put it on here to carefully place it in here because we don't want to break it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and now we're going to leave it here for a couple days, and we're going to keep checking on our egg every day and see what happens. That's our first experiment.
Is it done?
That one's done. Good job. Our second experiment we're doing today is water. We need water on a plate.
Carefully pour it.
And pepper. Sprinkle pepper. It has, what we did is we put dish soap on her finger, and then when she puts her finger in the water with the pepper moved away from her finger. But now it already has the soap in it, so it won't work a second time until you clean the water. But that's a fun experiment. Vowel. A is a vowel. A-E-I-O-U. E is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. E is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. I is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel. I is a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. O is a vowel, a vowel, a vowel, consonant, vowel. Letter A. Vowel, consonant, vowel. Vowel, consonant, vowel. The first vowel says its name, A. The second vowel says nothing. And this is our sentence for today. Our sight words, the words that you need to memorize, are see, a, and, in, and the. Not right now, Haley. So see, a, and, in, and the are our sight words. All the other words are your phonics words. These are the words that you find in book 1 and book 2 and book 3 that you need to memorize. Today's sentence comes from book 2, from the very last story in book 2. It goes over the SH digraph. SH says shh. Can you say that? SH says shh. And AR sound. This is a controlled R word. AR says R, like a pirate. R. Can you say that? R. So it has the R sound and the sh sound in this sentence. Those are some irregulars. Our sight words are the words you have to memorize. We should already know these, so I'm going to underline them because I should know these by heart. I have see, a, and, in, and the. The other words I'm going to circle because they're my phonics words. They're the words I have to sound out. I'm going to underline my vowels. If there's 2 vowels, it's a vowel, a consonant, and a vowel here. It's a long vowel. This is my R sound, right? R. And this one's a short vowel. Oops, there's another one. This is a short vowel. There's only one vowel, but then it has the sh sound, right? Okay, now I'm ready to sound it out. I think it's hard to see my eye here. Okay. P-at, right? The A says ah if it's a short vowel. P-at. Pat sees the shark. 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 And a fish in the lake. Now I'm going to read it for understanding. Pat sees a shark and a fish in the lake. So you can practice that. It goes over short vowels, long vowels, the sh sound, the R sound. There's videos on sh and R. This is called controlled R, and these are digraphs. So there's videos on those if you want more practice. And this learning is in the last story. It goes over shark, right? That word. It goes over sh, ka, the, in, qua, cha. There's a song. And there's words to teach you those blends. So you can watch that for extra practice. And you can watch your controlled R video to practice R sound, okay, in that sentence. And read the last story in book 2. Okay, so that's our language arts for today. And our science is science experiments. So if an adult wants to do some science experiments for you, they're all online. Remember to first draw a hypothesis, predict what you think is going to happen. Here we're actually drawing them, like with a picture, draw a picture. And we're doing the egg one today we did, and we did the salt, the pepper, and the soap experiment. So you can print those. Tomorrow you will need lemon juice for that experiment. So those are the experiments. We're going to be doing experiments all week for science, and we're working on subtraction for math. So that's what we're doing this week. I hope you enjoyed that video, and I will see you tomorrow for some more fun. Bye. this is Heather from FirstStepReading.com. Please subscribe to our channel on YouTube at First Step Reading. Like us on Facebook at First Step Reading and follow us on Instagram at www.firststepreading.com. Thank you for watching our videos. If you have any questions or any suggestions, please reach out to us on Facebook, Instagram, or on our channel. Thank you and have a great day.